Hello guys, this is Sam. Today we are going to learn how to create a custom prompt dialog in JavaScript. Let me save this file inside my JS tutorials 27th, 26, and my HTML snippet custom prompt. Let's design the layout of the prompt dialog container, and as usual this will be my dialog header, and this will be my dialog footer. Okay, in dialog header I'm going to add this custom prompt. You can give your own title, no problem. And dialog body, actually it should have the message container, so dialog message, no class needed, it's okay. And an input element to get the input. Dialog input element, okay. Type equal to text, don't forget this, and class. This is for CSS styles. And we need to add two buttons here in the footer. One is OK and another one is cancel. So by default these two buttons will come. Let's write this later. And OK and cancel, there are two buttons. And anything else? OK. Let's add two buttons here. One to call the default prompt dialog. So on click default prompt, and this will be my custom prompt. Here I'm going to call the default prompt method. So enter any number. So this I'm going to get any number. So from that number I'm going to validate whether this is an even number or odd number. So a simple logic just to understand. So validate number. So I'm going to call this method. So what will happen is this method will return some value to us. Based on that value we are going to find whether the given value is even or odd. Okay, let's see how it looks on the browser. Okay, this is what we have designed now. So the problem is we need to add styles to make it better. Okay, so let me add styles here. Okay, let me add the styles. For the body I'm going to add font family, and font is Arial, and dialog. Okay, I missed to add this class here. Okay, this is the dialog container, position absolute. So we can place our dialog at anywhere in the document. Lift 50% to align the dialog into the center of the page. Okay, 30%, and transform, translate 50%, and translate y should be 50%. I just want to set the width to 400 pixel, background to triple F, which means white color, padding 10 pixel, and border 2 pixel solid triple D, box shadow for this. So these styles are your wish. You can add your own styles. No need to follow me on this. Border radius 10 pixel. Okay, opacity, I'll tell you when it is useful. And I want to add transition. So to enable the animation, so we need to add this. And next one is dialog header. So we need to set the header padding 10 pixel, font weight. Since it's a heading, so I want to set the font weight to bold. Background color to 575757, and color to 6F7F8. Dialog body, padding 10 pixel, line height 30 pixel, and dialog body is there, dialog message, okay, dialog input element, okay, dialog, okay, styles for this. So this is a style for the text box. I don't want any border because I'm going to define it. Outline none. So border 1 pixel solid triple D, and width of 375 pixel, and the height should be, I'm sorry, height should be 30 pixel, and font size is 20 pixel. So when the element is focused, I want to set the box shadow for that. So focus, box shadow inset, so 0 0 10 pixel, 3 pixel, F6 F6 F6. And final thing, dialog footer. Text align center, background color F5 F5 F2. Actually these colors are your own choice. No need to use the same color I'm using here. Padding 3 pixel top and bottom, and 0 on left and right. Okay, this is more than enough for this. And anchor tags, display inline block, width of 100 pixel, padding 5 pixel top and bottom, 0 on left and right, border 1 pixel solid triple C, border radius 10 pixel, So to get the rounded corners, you need to use border radius, background color to triple E, and cursor pointer, vertical align middle, and box shadow for this is 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 4 pixel, 0 pixel, triple C. So when the button is clicked, I just want to add the effect. So box shadow 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 4 pixel, 0 pixel, and triple C. And I just want to set the text color to 666. Let me save this and let's test it. Okay, this is what we have designed actually. So let's give some message here. Enter something. Okay, this is our custom prompt dialog, but see, we can still able to access these buttons. So we need to handle this case. So let me add a div here. Okay, let me add a style here. Freeze layer. So this freeze layer should occupy the whole document to stop the user to access the below elements, default custom prompt elements. So what I'm going to do is I just set the position property to fix it and top 0, so it should start from the x0 and y0, and the height should be 100%, the whole the available height of the document page, and width is available width of the page, so 100%, 100%. And the background color I'm choosing here is RGBA, so this is black, so this is transparent 0.1. And this is the very important property, z index. I'm just setting 1 here. The set index property specifies the stack order of an element. So the element with the greatest stack order is always in front of element with the lowest stack order. So simply we can say if this freeze layer is having the highest value, so this element will be at the top. So as of now, this is the top element. So as you can see, we cannot able to access any of these controls now, including the dialog. What we need to do is we need to set the higher value for this dialog. So this freeze layer is having 1 here, so we need to set the higher value here, set index 2. So now we can able to access this dialog but not these buttons. So what this is what we want actually. Okay, by default this dialog should be at the top. This dialog should be hidden, and this opacity 0. Anything else? Yeah, I don't want this freeze layer always. It should come only when the dialog is showing. Okay, so by default I'm hiding it. Let's check this. Okay guys, now we have designed our custom prompt dialog. In the next lesson we are going to complete the JavaScript part. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.